everybody, how are you? Nowadays, people want to live in paradise. A long ago, there was a country likewise who accept the people petition wantedly and rectify it immediately. They constructed world oldest dam still in running condition. Obviously, the bride goes to the most important early Chola king is Karigalan. Why people called him so? Kari means enemy. Kalan means lord of death. He well known as enemy's lord of death. He is the only child for his father. His father passed away in his childhood. His kingdom minister making trap to kill him. After his death, any of the minister can legally be a king. The minister planned and keep Karikalan into the jail, and they fired the entire jail. With the help of his uncle, he escaped from the jail. With the good-hearted people of the kingdom, he survives 8 years. He practicing and becoming very skilled for the war. He making the warriors for him. After 8 years, he captured his crown again. He made the first biggest war name called Vennipur. He against Pandyas, Cheras and 11 small kings in the one war. Karigalan hit them out. He made the massive victory on the war. In the war, Chera king got injured in his back. People are thinking on the time if somebody got injured on his back on the war, he is craven, he is scared for the war. He depressed because of this situation and he is not eating properly through his lifetime and he died so. But this is the huge victory for King Karikala Cholan. In his period, he developing the Chola borders. His influence involved throughout the India until Himalayas. He also concentrate on his country development such like water management and agriculture. Once he owns some part of Sri Lanka, he brings 12,000 slaves to develop his country infrastructure. He constructed 329-meter long dam in river Kaveri in the year of 100 BC. Just imagine, we are in 2021, still the dam is running. Also, he make an artificial river name called Vennaru. After his period, so many generations passes, Cholas lost their kingdom to Kalappirargal. Completely lost in history, these are the black days of Cholas. After 300 years of Kalappirargal, now Pandyas are ruling very small places. With the help of Pallavargal, in the year 450 to 550 BC, they make struggle against the Kalappirargal. Now in the year 575 BC, of Pallavargal in Tamil Nadu and of Pandyas own their countries. Pallavargal actually ruling in Karnataka region. With the permission of Pallavargal, Muttérigal are entering into the Tamil Nadu. Tanjore and Pudukkottai region are under control of Muttérigal. Now, Pandyas want to rule the entire Tamil Nadu. Muttérigal also in the same plan, so they become a one group. Now, Pallavargal want support from Cholas because they are inside the Tamil Nadu. We'll see you in next video. The Cholas are going to become a throne again or what?